langchainexperimental.comprehendmoderation.basemoderationconfig.moderation toxicity config summary. A description of the moderation toxicity config class, its purpose, components, and overall role within the context of Amazon Comprehend's moderation capabilities. Components. Component 1. Amazon Comprehend is a service for natural language processing, offering a suite of tools for analyzing text data. It provides capabilities for understanding the meaning and structure of text, identifying entities, and performing sentiment analysis. One of its key features is content moderation, which helps identify and flag potentially harmful or offensive content. Component 2. Moderation Toxicity Config is a class that provides a configuration for Amazon Comprehend moderation, allowing users to customize the moderation process and define specific parameters for identifying potentially toxic or offensive content. This configuration class allows for fine-grained control over the moderation process, enabling developers to tailor the detection thresholds and rules to their specific needs and use cases. For example, developers can adjust the sensitivity level to match their platform's content policies, prioritizing the detection of severe forms of toxicity while allowing for some less severe forms to pass through. This configuration utilizes Amazon Comprehend's moderation capabilities, allowing for the detection of potentially offensive or inappropriate content in text. It leverages Amazon Comprehend's pre-trained machine learning models to analyze text and identify potential issues. The Moderation Toxicity Config class allows users to customize the moderation process by configuring parameters such as the sensitivity level, the specific types of toxicity to detect, and the actions to take when potentially toxic content is detected. Moderation Toxicity Config plays a vital role in filtering out inappropriate content, ensuring a safer and more positive user experience. This class acts as a gatekeeper, analyzing incoming text and flagging potentially harmful content, allowing developers to take appropriate actions, such as blocking the content, providing warnings to users, or taking other measures to protect the platform and its users from inappropriate content. By leveraging Amazon Comprehend's advanced natural language processing capabilities, Moderation Toxicity Config contributes to a more responsible and safe online environment. Improves content moderation accuracy, allowing for a more precise identification of potentially harmful content. This results in a reduced number of false positives, ensuring that appropriate content is not flagged unnecessarily. Streamlines the process of identifying potentially offensive content, providing a standardized and efficient way to analyze text and identify potential issues. This simplifies the moderation process, allowing developers to focus on other aspects of their application. May not catch all forms of toxicity, as the detection of toxicity is a complex task, and there are various ways in which toxicity can be expressed. Even with advanced machine learning models, there is always the possibility that some forms of toxicity may not be recognized. Requires careful fine-tuning for optimal performance. Achieving accurate and efficient moderation requires careful consideration of the specific context and the type of content being moderated. This involves understanding the nuances of language, culture, and the intended audience. Developers need to adjust the configuration parameters, such as the sensitivity level, to ensure that the moderation process effectively identifies the specific types of toxicity that are relevant to their application.